I get asked all the time what to get for someone who's into EDC, bags, and travel. So I made a list. 10 gift ideas, 4 minutes. Let's get at it. All right, first up we have the black titanium GeoPress from Grayl. Why? Because it's the best all-in-one travel filter out there. It filters viruses and bacteria. It's got a titanium cup for boiling water over a campfire or the stove. It's perfect for hiking, travel, and the airport. For extra points, add the optional TI coffee press and you can make coffee at the campsite. Perfect. I haven't used this one yet, just got it and I'm really excited about it, but I have been a longtime Grayl fan and user. All right, number 2 on the list is the Alpine Sea Company Daypack 18 liter. Why? Because it's handmade, small batch, premium technical fabrics, great day pack, packable for travel, but also very rugged. This currently retails at the time of filming for $225. All right, number 3, darn tough socks. Why? Because they come with a lifetime warranty. They're made from merino wool that will last forever. They make the perfect stocking stuffer, and also they're darn tough socks. Everyone needs socks, and these are the best socks out there. I'd suggest starting with the Hiker Micro Crew style. That's one of my favorites. $26 for a pair or $78 for 3 pair right now. All right, number 4 on the list is the Montana Knife Company Magnacut Mini Speedgoat 2.0. So this currently retails for $200. It's a super light fixed blade knife, great for EDC. It's 100% USA made. It's an incredible slicer for camp or field and just an absolutely bomb-proof knife with the Magnacut steel. All right, next up, number 5 is for the coffee lover. This is the Vessel Nest pour-over kit plus Java G25 grinder bundle. Why? Because this fits inside of here along with your beans and your filters, and you have an all-in-one, go anywhere, take anywhere coffee setup. The grinder, buttery smooth. It's like having barista quality equipment with you anywhere you go. Retails right now for $245 on the Vessel website. Number 6 on the list is the Brown Buffalo Conceal Pack 21 liter. Why? Because we're talking serious durability here, a clean design that works just about anywhere, an amazing organization without overdoing it. So right now on the Brown Buffalo's website, this goes for $250 to $295 depending on which material option you go with. This one just happens to be the 1050D nylon version. Bulletproof bag. Number 7 is the Versa Sling from Hyperlite Mountain Gear. Why? Because it's ultra light, it's ultra weather resistant, and it's ultra versatile. So this can be a belt pack, it could be a sling bag, it could be a shoulder bag. You can use it as a sternum pouch. It's perfect for hiking, walking the dog, travel, the outdoors, and everything in between. This is a long-time favorite for me. It retails currently at $79 at Hyperlite Mountain Gear. All right, number 8 is the Wuben X4 Flashlight. Why? Because it's small, but absurdly powerful. It's easy to pocket, great for EDC. It's got a ton of cool features that I have found very useful, and it's got a super clicky tail switch that's a lot of fun to fidget with. $65 normally on Wuben's website, currently on sale for $49.99. All right, number 9 is the Add1D D2D Essential Backpack. Why? Premium materials at a great price. It's durable and functional, and it's just a cool bag. Typically, it's $126. It's on sale right now for $114. Last up, number 10 is the YETI Flask. And I've been beating this one to death lately. Why? Because it's a stupid simple gift that's just an easy win. YETI is always a safe bet. It feels premium and rugged, and there's just something cool about having a flask. Also, last minute wise, you can get this on Amazon pretty quick, and it goes for $50 right now. And that's a wrap. 10 gifts, 4 minutes. What was your favorite? Drop me a comment below.